hand polished camshaft. The M42. It took me about, give or take, 2 to 3 hours by hand. Little tiny Dremel tool, little buffing wheel. This is our cam holder. Inside there is where all of our hydraulic lifters will be. Polished every single port. And we're about ready to assemble our lifters, which are going to be over here. Let's see. We got these guys soaking here. Ready to be rebuilt. Now we got all of them here. A couple of them done already. Let's see if it'll spring action. And then you got it already done. I got just enough to do one side. I need one more. Get back to you guys.